Hello everyone and welcome back. I have a little haul, some big deals, and some gifts from the husband. First I'm going to start off with the haul from Big Deals. Got this bag of assorted jelly beans. And this is a Palmer cookies and cream Easter eggs. Bag of that. And this is a Palmer's Bunny Money. A little coins with chocolate. My husband picked this up. It's a Speed Stick Power Fresh deodorant. He's gifting that to our son with a few other things. And a new White Ring for Men Maximum Energy Body Wash. Fresh Mountain Spring. Oh, very nice. And this is for Marianne. It's if you like Dove, try me. Soft Whisper Reviving Body Wash. New Pomegranate Lemon Verbena. Oh, it smells so pretty. Very nice. Also picked up these, and they're just plastic little eggs for the Easter egg hunt, and this pack brings 18. They did have other packs that had like bunny faces and the ears and all that, but they bring like 6 and stuff. It's not gonna do us any good. 20 kids, so we just got the colorful ones. You know, you gotta go for more bang for your buck, so this one brings 18, got 2 of them. Those smaller packs are gonna do nothing for us. Too many kids. So yeah, got those. This is just a few sheets of construction paper, the really large kind. Just plain. Because our grandson is channeling his inner Picasso on Marianne and JC's walls. So yeah, he's autistic, so he's quite the artist. God bless him. So yeah, I think that was it for a small haul. Yeah, thank you so very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And until the next one, may you all stay blessed and beautiful. And ciao.